Hello, I will show you how to edit this footer content here. So if you are logged as admin, you'll see the page edit page, and if you go to template settings, you can choose the template in which it resides. So to edit the template, just go to templates, the template you have selected, and this is the template, the header here, and you'll see it here, container marked pink, this is the container, and the footer. I can demonstrate that if we can move, for example, the container after the footer. So yeah, so if we save now, you'll see that the footer is here right now, but of course it should be at the bottom. Okay, so now if we click here, you'll see that this is a menu, and the menus are edited from here, menus, footer menu, and you'll finally see here the copyright text, and we can modify it to anything. We can of course select the menu order and add the things to our menu here. Now if you refresh, you'll see the new content here.